a mile in and about 500 feet in elevation gain so far, so whew, off to a good start. It's windy up here. Started having an asthma attack. Sick. Whew. Take a little breather. Yeah, we're back. Let it in. Oh, sunshine. That was a brutal climb. Whew. Now time for a little down. They said that you love. This is the fun part. Now I see you dancing with some other man. I want to see where this goes. I need a light to see. And I want you to know something. I tripped over that root last time. Not this time, Satan. Love this part. Whew. Back uphill now. Almost fell off a cliff there. I mean, I can't just run past this. Back at it now. I need to find my way back to the trails. I've already been here. Whew. We're heading back up Ridge Trail for some reason instead of heading back home. Let's do it. Pretty much all downhill from here. Let's get out. 7 miles. See what we end at. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Now I'm officially in the home stretch. Let's go. I'm beat. What a day though. It's gonna rain the next couple days, so I don't know if I'll be able to get outside much, so wanted to get this in and hopefully be back in the trails on Sunday if they're not too wet. We'll see.